Hi guys, my name is Quỳnh and now I am an undergraduate at Diplomatic Academy of Vietnam and a teacher in Connector English, a really interesting place for all of you to start your English growth. I have experience in teaching English offline and online on some digital platforms. My students got amazing results after studying with Connector English. Because Connector English provides students in many levels with effective programs according to a native English teacher. Besides, our students are free to choose learning styles, topics, so it is an easier and interesting way to approach English. I am looking forward to meeting you in Connector English to share with you about interesting and amazing curriculum.